And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you how you can set up exponentiation. This can be done in two ways. You can use two asterisks, which is simply the placeholder. You can use two asterisks or the math.pow. If we, for example, define a variable of let x equals 5, print it out, it runs, and now I write x, two asterisks, and then 2. This would be 5 squared, therefore 25. X to asterisk 3 would be 125. And I've said math.pow can be used as well. It's math.pow and then regular brackets, x and y. X is the number, and I believe in English it's called the basis, and y is the exponent. So when we make that x and 3, we have 5 to the power of 3. So 3 is the exponent, 5 the basis, and therefore we'll still get 125. Then we make that x, 4, which would be 5 to the power 4, and this is 625. Usually it's easier to just use the two asterisks, but when you don't know it, how should you? So this is the way to set up exponentiation in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.